We're sorry we haven't posted in a while because we forgot about the channel and we had other things to worry about. But now we're going to make something fun. So today we're gonna be making pizzas, mini pizzas. So me and Lucky are gonna make it in the air fryer. So let's just see what the ingredients we have. These are the ingredients we have today. So we have pizza, it's already store-bought pizza bread base, and then we have onions for our topping, 3 cheese, salsa, homemade tomato sauce, and then some shredded chicken for our recipe today. So my brother, he'll start making the pizza first. So Lucky, put some salsa at the base first, or tomato sauce. Spread it. Okay. Okay, now you finish the base. Now put the cheese on. Don't put too much. Save some for me. Finished? Okay, now I'll put on, which one do you want to go? Onion or chicken? Onion, I'll put it onion. Really? Okay, now put the chicken. So. Okay, that's a good pizza. Now I'm gonna start my pizza. So first I'm gonna start off with the base with some salsa. Just spread it nice and even. Next, I'm gonna put in some cheese. I like cheese, so I'm gonna put. Next, I'm gonna put onion, some onion. Just spread it out. Then finally, some chicken. Yeah, that's all. Now we'll see you in 12 minutes.
One eternity later.
Now the pizzas are ready. Now we're gonna bring it in and add some more toppings. It's very hot. Okay. Now since we finished our pizzas, now we're gonna eat them. I'm excited. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Lucky, cheers. So good. The toppings are fine. It's so good. So the thing I liked about it most was the chicken because it had an extra bit of flavor, and the salsa was also good, but was medium because it's not that sweet. But the onion and the cheese were good. What's your rating about all this stuff?
My